What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Playboy here, and we are back with another video. In today's video, we will be doing a garden update after the frost. So I'm just gonna do y'all a quick tour of everything we got going on so far. Let's check it out. All right, y'all. So the tomatoes back here behind the greenhouse, I had covered these up. I covered everybody up at the last minute, but these tomatoes survived. These was a beefsteak, and I believe it was a mortgage lifter, if I'm not mistaken. But the onions are doing really good. We might go ahead and water them. Here's some more flowers we got here. We got some daisies. These tomatoes are here. They look like they doing good. As you can see, where the frost had killed everything off, but the plant was still good. So these are my potatoes and onions in here. Now these cantaloupe, they were doing good. I think they're still gonna do good once I go ahead and give them some more water. But everything is looking good here for these cantaloupes. And then here we got some tomatoes. I just brought these back out this morning. I should have gave them some water, but I'm gonna go ahead and plant these in the pots over here because the other ones died. Here is our orange tree. As you can see, everything is looking good on it. I brought this inside because I was not gonna risk anything trying to kill it. All right, over here we got gladiosus. They coming on back up. Let's go over here and check on the sunflower. Okay, there's one sunflower. There's another one. It look like they lasted throughout the whole thing too. And I do got an extra pot back here where I think I'm gonna put some extra pot back here to put some tomatoes in. Because this is the perfect area back here, but I don't have another cage for them. All right, now we're gonna do a little, let me show y'all here. These are the tomatoes. These were the mortgage lifters. They died. But good thing I do got another. I don't have any more mortgage lifters in there, so I might end up planting some more of those. Over here, as you can see, there's a mortgage lifter. It's lifted. I don't know if this one down here is gonna come back. It might, y'all. We're gonna hope. We had peak things right here, but they have died. So I can plant some more of those, but we gotta see what we got. These are beefsteaks. I got onions in here too. And here's our strawberries starting to come through. You can see. All right, our first tier update. Strawberries looking good. We got a marigold that is still up. Yellow monster pepper. I don't know if y'all gonna make it, but we're gonna hope for them. And then just again some more strawberries. And I'm gonna take you up here on the porch and look at the pink ones. All right, y'all. Now these up here, with balloon flower still looking good. It's time to give everybody some water. Yeah, we're gonna water everybody today. This lettuce is not doing nothing, y'all, over on this side. I don't know why. This is a what is this? A tomato spoon. So we still got a tomato living. And for some reason, the stuff that was up here, it didn't affect the plants. I got our aloe. That's still up here doing good. I brought this one in the house as well. All right, now for this one over here. Now look at the lettuce over here. Way bigger. Way bigger. So we're going to try to go ahead and water this one in too. Everything over here looks fine. Like the sun didn't kill this much. Look at that. But we got some butter crunch. We got something going on. Butter crunch. So hopefully this lettuce is going to come out, y'all. Hopefully this lettuce is going to come out. All right, now we're finna go out here to the green stalks. Before we go to the green stalks, we can look right here and see what we got. Looks like I got a daisy, a zinnia, and maybe this is a pink fang. Yep, this is a pink fang, so I can replace the pink fangs. And I still got 3 beefsteaks, so I don't have to plant any more tomatoes. I'll just go back and replant these here. All right, here's our watermelon. It's doing good in this little pot. It just got some water. I gave all these peppers up here some water. So they should be happy. Here is our coleus. Still kind of small, but it looks like they're trying to grow. That's what matters. They're trying to grow. All right, here's our raspberry green stock. Everything still looks good here. The dwarf zinnias are still kicking. I think it's time to move them. We just turned that one around. This was a tomato, y'all. But I don't know if it's going to make it. But the stem is still good. The stem is still good. So we're going to hope and pray. But we're gonna still put our tomatoes in our green stock. We're gonna try it out. We got some spoon tomatoes that made it. Here's a marigold. Let's turn this one. Okay, there was a pink shade daisies right here. Here we got some collard greens. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. They finally decided to grow. Me and the birds are fighting right now, y'all. Because every time I fill up their food, they just go ahead and they eat it up. And look where it's at now. All the food is on the ground. So I told them, I said, y'all gonna have to eat this food up before I refill it. Because I'm not doing it. Our poor little green bean plant has died. But it's okay. We got other ones planted already. We got onions in here. Look at that, strawberries trying to come on in over here. We got some petite dwarf marigolds. Another tomato spoon. There's some green beans there. Look at this parsley. I planted this parsley last year, and it's still doing good. Look at this. Parsley. Fresh parsley. More green beans. And I didn't tell y'all what these were. So this is banana peppers. King of the North, and Gold Mane, Lion Pepper, and the King of the North again. All right, last but not least, let's check out what's in here. Oh God, it's hot up in here, y'all. We're not caring about these Sweet Williams. We had way too many in the first place. Look like we got the bouquet deal coming in, but we haven't got any of our jalapenos to come up yet, or our orange watermelon. So we are still waiting on those to germinate. But nothing as of right now. And today is the first day of spring. Petunias. This is a coleus. So everything in here is whatever it is. I call myself trying to organize over here, but we got to plant some more seeds. Yeah, so we got to plant some more seeds, y'all. So, of course, be on the lookout for that next video because it will be coming to you really, really soon. But that's it. That's our little garden update. Make sure y'all hit that follow button, subscribe, and leave me a like on my videos, please. We're on the road to 100 subscribers. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace. All right, y'all. We in the car. I thought the video was finna end, but I ended up having to, when I get ready to start watering the plants, the hose had a hole in it. So I'm back at Rose's now to get me another water hose. And what we can see, today is the first day of spring. If you can see in the corner back there, they got plants that's out. So let's go take a look at see what kind of plants they got. All right, as we approach, they got some marigolds that's out here. Some colisa. Oh yeah. How much are these? They got some impatiens that's here already. Oh yeah. Look, they got some daisies that's up here. They got some geraniums. Bengolia. Oh yeah, y'all. We finna load up. Let me go get me a cart. Can't get through. That's nice. I like that. But how much is it? They ain't got no price. We ended up getting these type right here. So we're gonna add these to our collection that we already had. That's neat. I like this outdoor set right here.